Hello viewers, and welcome to a new STM32 World unboxing video. Now, I did an unboxing video about, I don't know, two and a half months ago, and it didn't go well. Now, at that time I had my wife shoot the video. This time she's not around, so I'm shooting it myself, and I am sure it is going to be even worse. Anyway, on the other hand, I think I'm going to cut this in a few pieces and do one piece at a time. So let's move on with this. Last week I posted a video about my 16 relay prototype test board, and this was ordered. This video is being recorded on a Monday afternoon, and I ordered this last Monday, so it has taken GLC PCB and FedEx exactly 1 week, they work Saturday as well, so 6 working days to get this to my place here in Malaysia. That's pretty impressive. So now I don't think I can do this with one hand, so I'm probably going to get it out of the plastic off screen. So with a little bit of struggle, I managed to get this out of the plastic. Now that is actually a FedEx bag, so we now have the GLC PCB box, and we have the boards inside wrapped in some bubble plastic. I should mention at this point, I think, that this video is actually not sponsored by GLC PCB, nor is this board sponsored by GLC PCB. We paid for this one ourselves because it is a prototype for a larger commercial project, probably. Now, I cannot hold my phone and unwrap at the same time, so I am going to get it out of the plastic without recording. And here we are. Now, for this particular project, I ordered 5 PCBs, but I only ordered 2 of them mounted. I really don't need 5 of these boards for the testing, which I intend to do today. So I have 3 spare PCBs, which I guarantee you I'm never ever going to solder. I think there are 180 components on this board, if I'm not mistaken, so they are probably going into some kind of museum if ever we get that far. And here we have the produced boards, and let's see how they look. Let me flip them around. There's some headers that they put the this was the angle you saw when I made. So there we have it. 16 relays, headers. Let me just hang on. Sorry. Here we go again. So here we are, 16 relays. They look like they're all there, and we have the IDC connectors, and they look like they are correctly placed, and they are true hole. There they are true hole, and they look like they're all soldered. We have the MCU, we have the USB connector. Remember last time I made a board with this MCU, which is that Chinese only STM32 F402. I forgot to put the USB on, so this gives me a chance to actually test that working. We have the Phoenix power connector up there. That looks all good. We have the PSUs, power supplies, 5 volt and 3.3 volt there. In the center we have the MCU, we have a programming header, and we have the I2C buses, and up here we have a reset button. And in the center there we have the GPIO expander, which is supposed to drive all the relays. So that is about it. I am now going to test this and make a video probably tomorrow about the test result. Whether that's going to be positive or embarrassing, we will see. As usual, have a wonderful rest of the day.